Hey guys, so this is going to be if all the raindrops. Attached, I also put an activity for making your own rain stick. So if you were able to make your own rain stick, hopefully sounds kind of like this. So it sounds like rain. Feel free to play along. If not, you could sing along or just listen. I'll leave some space in for you to fill in some sounds and some words. All right. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. All right, the next one, sunbeams and ice cream. If all the sunbeams were lemon drops and ice cream, oh, what a sun that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the sunbeams were lemon drops and ice cream, oh, what a sun that would be. All right, and the next one, snowflakes, candy bars, and milkshakes. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. All right, we're going to go back to raindrops and see if you could fill in some sounds. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. All right, let's try one more time. Still raindrops. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops,